Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TutorTalk English. I'm Lara, and this is day 2 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. If you're here again today, that means you're serious about improving your English, and I'm so proud of you. Every time you show up, your English becomes stronger, smoother, and more natural.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack. Lara, day 1 was incredible. I didn't realize how powerful it feels to actually speak out loud instead of just listening passively. It really builds confidence.
Exactly, Jack. Shadowing is one of the most effective ways to improve fluency because it trains your ears, mouth, and mind at the same time.
So, everyone listening, today we'll continue to build that momentum. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just need to keep going.
Right. So grab your headphones, take a deep breath, and get ready to speak with us. We'll go step by step, first listening, then repeating. If you need more time, just pause and practice. This is your learning space, no rush. Let's begin with a few warm-up sentences. Repeat after me, slowly, clearly, and confidently. I am improving my English every single day. Nice! Let's try another one. I speak English with confidence and joy.
I speak English with confidence and joy.
Beautiful rhythm. Let's keep going. My pronunciation gets better every time I practice.
My pronunciation gets better every time I practice.
Great! You're already sounding clearer. Remember, your progress might feel slow, but every word you say adds up. Think of it like watering a plant. You don't see growth right away, but deep down, roots are forming.
That's a great image, Lara. Every practice session is like giving your brain a workout. And the best part? There's no pressure. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Exactly. So let's dive deeper into today's sentences. We'll focus on smooth rhythm and natural tone. Listen carefully, then shadow with us. I am not afraid to speak English out loud. I am not afraid to speak English out loud. I am not afraid to speak English out loud.
Yes, nice and bold voice.
Sentence 6. Every time I speak, I become more confident.
Every time I speak, I become more confident. You're doing amazing. Keep that flow going.
Sentence 3. I listen carefully and speak naturally. I listen carefully and speak naturally.
That's the secret. Listen first, then let the words flow.
Sentence 4. My English sounds better every day. My English sounds better every day.
My English sounds better every day. Yes! Feel that progress.
Sentence 5. Mistakes help me learn faster. Mistakes help me learn faster.
That's right. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise.
Sentence 6. I speak slowly, clearly, and with purpose. I speak slowly, clearly, and with purpose.
I speak slowly, clearly, and with purpose. Perfect pace. Don't rush your words.
Now let's connect sentences together like a real conversation. Try to shadow our rhythm and tone. Ready?
Let's go.
I am learning English step by step. Each sentence helps me improve. I can speak clearly and confidently. I believe in my progress.
Beautiful flow, Lara. Now, let's repeat it together, everyone. I am learning English step by step. Each sentence helps me improve. I can speak clearly and confidently. I believe in my progress.
Nice work. Try smiling as you speak. It really affects your tone and makes your voice sound friendlier.
Yes, when you smile, your voice becomes more open and warm, and people love listening to that.
Let's talk about mindset for a moment. Many learners feel shy about speaking English. But remember, Even native speakers make mistakes every day.
That's so true. The goal isn't perfection, it's communication. If you can share your thoughts, laugh, and connect, you're already winning.
Exactly. Let's practice a few affirmations together, sentences that build confidence. Say them with energy. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I can speak English clearly.
I can speak English clearly.
I can speak English clearly.
I enjoy speaking English every day.
I enjoy speaking English every day.
I enjoy speaking English every day.
Wonderful. Feel the power in those words. That's your voice growing stronger.
How do you feel now? More confident? More relaxed? You've just completed another strong day of shadowing practice.
Day 2 done, and your fluency journey continues. Remember, it's not about how fast you learn. It's about staying consistent. Even 10 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
Exactly, Jack. Every small effort counts. And to everyone listening, be proud of yourself. You're improving, even if you can't see it right away.
So, don't stop here. Replay this video, repeat more times, and really own these sentences. Your voice deserves to be heard.
Beautifully said, Jack. All right, everyone, this wraps up day 2 of your 5-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. Keep practicing, keep believing, and come back tomorrow for day 3, where we'll focus on speaking with natural rhythm and emotion.
You're doing amazing, truly. Until next time, keep smiling, keep speaking, and remember, you can do this. We believe in you.
See you tomorrow, and happy practicing, everyone.